So get you some shredded chicken that is already cooked. Make sure it's chopped up really well. Next, you're going to add your seasonings in the bowl right in with the chicken. I use garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, turmeric, tahini, pepper, and the ever so tiniest amount of cayenne. Then you're going to add 1 egg. Then you want to add in anywhere between maybe about half a cup of shredded cheese. I'm using dairy-free Daiya because my kids are lactose intolerant. And I'm just going to use whatever I have left in these bags because I don't want to open a new bag. Next, I'm going to shake a small amount of panko crumbs, and I mean a small amount. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, that's how many breadcrumbs. It looks like a lot, but it's really just a sprinkle because the cheese and the egg are already going to be a binder. Next, I'm going to use my cookie scoop to scoop out little chicken nugget. So then you want to take your hand and after you get it out the scoop and press them and mold them into chicken nugget shapes. Okay, I made mine kind of large, but that's what we have. And now I'm going to put them in the air fryer at 390 degrees for about 14 to 15 minutes. And at the halfway point of that, I'm going to take them out and flip them over and put them back in. Okay, and now they're done, and this is what they look like. So nice and crispy, and they actually kind of give you a McDonald's vibe. Nice and smooth chicken on the inside, crispy on the outside, and my kids really love them. So next time your kids say, "Can we go to McDonald's?" you can tell them we have McDonald's at home.